Relationship with other government. Stop killing Oromo people.
Oromo protest for justice, for equality, for humanity, for the true democracy. So Deutschland support Oromo protest. We say like that. Yeah, Ethiopia government, Deutschland, I believe, the Dutch government, politically, economically, relationship, whatever, is right now stopped in Oromia under military. So, too much Oromo people is killed and arrested, and 100,000 Oromos arrested by Ethiopian intelligence and the military force last 9 months. So, we need right now free Oromo political prisoner and the student, including the Amara leaders and Amara student and the Gondar people and Wolkayet people, any Amara, Oromo, we need a unity. We have a unity. We have too much relationship last 1 centuries. So Ethiopian government is divided into 4 places or 5 places. So we don't believe like Ethiopian government. So እኛ መቼም አንድ ነው ወያኔ ሊለያየን አይችልም። የጎንደር ህዝብ ለነጻነትና ለፍትህ ነው የሚታገለው። የኦሮሞ ፕሮቴስትም እንደሚታወቀው ለነጻነት፣ ለፍትህ፣ ለእኩልነትና ለዲሞክራሲ ስለሆነ ይሄን ደግሞ ሁላችንም በአንድነት ማለት ነው የወያኔ መንግስት ከስር መሰረቱ ነቅለን ማለት ነው አገራችን ላይ ለውጥ እናመጣለን። በዚህ ደግሞ ተስፋ እናደርጋለን። ሁላችሁም በያላችሁበት ቦታ እጅ ለእጅ ተያያዙና ወያኔ ላይ ፎከስ ማድረግ አለብን። በርቱ። ወዳችኋለሁ። አመሰግናችኋለሁ። ተመልሼ እንገናኛለን።